How to hard reset Tecno Pop 9. Step 1. Power off your device. Step 2. Simultaneously press and hold both the power and volume up buttons. Step 3. When the screen displays the no command, robot icon, continue holding the power button and press the volume up button once.